Say, clock, what time is it?
Hi, girls and boys. Today I'm going to show you an experiment using an egg. Eggs are amazing, and they're an excellent source of nutrition. Of course, an egg has a liquid, gooey center surrounded by a hard shell. Today, I'm going to show you how you can make a rubber egg. So all you need to do is have a raw egg, a glass, and some vinegar. So you put the raw egg into the glass, and then you cover it with vinegar, just like that. And actually, within seconds, little carbon dioxide bubbles start forming on the egg. Look at that. This is one I set up just a few minutes ago on my laboratory. So what's going on is there's a reaction occurring between the vinegar and the eggshell, and it's producing carbon dioxide, and you see that as these little bubbles. Over time, the vinegar is actually going to dissolve away the eggshell and create the rubber egg. Here's an egg that I had in vinegar for over a week. And actually, you can see that the eggshell is gone. It's completely dissolved away. And it even bounces. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? The rubber egg. Well, boys and girls, it's a lot of fun to make and play with rubber eggs, but you never want to eat one. And the other thing is, after you handle a raw egg, you want to thoroughly wash your hands, because sometimes there's bacteria on the eggshell that can make you really sick. So, if you want to learn more about science, just go to our website. Remember, it looks like magic, but it's science.